Hello again. Hope you've all had a lovely Sunday so far. Well, it may be calm and quiet out there at the moment, but rain is working its way towards us, and that's going to take us into a wet and a windy start to the day on Monday. And overall this week, well, changeable conditions across the capital, which means sunny spells and a few showers. So let's take a look at the bigger picture. We can see we've got low pressure out in the Atlantic. That's driving this weather system across the UK, and that's what's bringing the cloud and spells of rain. Some of that rain will be heavy at times, especially across more western parts. And you can see the squeeze and the isobars. It is going to be windy for a time too. Low on Tuesday it is looking a lot quieter. For many of us, a good deal of dry weather, and those winds will become lighter too. Now, before we get to that, out there at the moment, it's largely dry. We've got clear skies and it's feeling a little on the chilly side. But as the night progresses, that cloud will be increasing, the winds will start to strengthen, and eventually we'll see some outbreaks of rain too. Those winds bringing in some milder air. And for tomorrow morning, but certainly a grotty start to the day. Grey, murky spells of rain. Some of that rain could be heavy for a time in one or two places, and gusty old winds too. Although you can see it will become drier as we move through the afternoon, but we are left with a lot of cloud out there. But with those winds coming up from the south, it is actually going to be feeling rather milder. We're expecting highs there anywhere between 10 and 12 degrees. But as I mentioned earlier, this week overall it's a changeable setup, so there will be a few showers around, sunny spells in between, but actually our temperatures remain a little bit above average for the time of year. I'll see you a bit later on. Bye bye.